In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Google Chrome on Android. So I have Chrome open, and if you want to go ahead and make sure you're using the most up-to-date version of Chrome, you don't do that from the browser itself. You go out of that and then you go to the Play Store on your device, and then you want to search at the top of the Play Store for Chrome. So I've searched for Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and click on it, the top result, and then I'm going to click on Chrome, and now underneath the logo it says uninstall or open. So if it says open, that means you have the most up-to-date version of Chrome, but if you don't, it's going to say update. Then you would just tap on the update button. It will download the most recent version of Chrome and update it, and then your app will be updated. But in this case, you can see on my phone it says open, and that means I have the most up-to-date version. So that is how you update and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Chrome on Android. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.